front of me is Honor Power, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings. Now scroll all the way down to click on Google over here. Following that, tap on All Services next to Recommended and scroll down again, this time to select Autofill with Google. Now tap on Google Password Manager and click on any password you wish to check. Enter your login method and tap on this eye icon right next to your password to make it visible. If you still can't see it because it's too long, you can hit Edit and then click on eye icon. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!